On my YouTube channel, I have a couple of videos that have actually crossed the 100,000 views mark, right? Quite a lot of them. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to get 100,000 views on YouTube. Now, beyond that, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views. But let's talk about something very important. It's something called RPM, revenue per mile on YouTube. Now, people have asked me these questions 1,001 times. I said, Gerald, how much does YouTube pay? How do they really pay? And let me explain that to you guys. YouTube pays averagely $2 per mile. What this means is that for every 1,000 views, YouTube pays you at least $2. If you have 100,000 views on a particular video and YouTube is paying you $2 for every 1,000, and what you need to do is to divide 100,000 by 1,000. Now multiply this 100 times $2. That will give you $200. That is the least YouTube will pay you for $1,000. But this depends on something called RPM. Now, RPM is different for each particular video. For the payment for a particular video is going to be different from all the other videos, right? I'm going to be showing you guys 3 of my videos that have crossed the 100,000 views mark and exactly how much YouTube paid me for those videos. So before we get into that, my name is Gerald. I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. It's important for you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. Now, what are these best practices for getting 100,000 views on YouTube? Number 1 is to focus on something called keyword research, right? So what this means is that you're actually doing your research, you're looking for keywords that has very high search volume and low competition. What this means is that there's a whole lot of persons searching for this keyword and the competition is actually very low. If you can find those keywords, you are well on your way to getting 100,000 views in just a few days on YouTube, whether you have subscribers or not. And there are tools that can help you actually achieve this. Tools like VidIQ, TubeBuddy, and there are some other ones that I'm going to be talking to you guys in my training. Right? I mentioned training right now. I'm going to be explaining what I mean and how I can be a part of that training as we proceed in today's video. Number 1 is to focus on keyword research. Number 2 is to focus on high value keywords. These are keywords that have very high search volume and low competition. Number 3 is to analyze your competition, the videos that are actually ranking for those keywords right now, right? And create a better video than those ones, right? Number 1, create a longer video than they are, have a better thumbnail, and make sure that the value that you are packing in those videos is actually better than everything that is existing on YouTube right now. That's how to succeed, right? Now, I mentioned training, and like I said, I'm going to be explaining more about that. Now, the training of succeeding on YouTube will take me a couple of hours to actually teach, right? Which is why I'm organizing something that we have called the YouTube Content Monetization Training. Now, this training is happening on Zoom, right? So it doesn't matter where you are, you can be a part of this training with just your mobile phone or your computer or your tablet or whatever it is that you have. Any internet-enabled device with it, you can actually join that training. Now, that training is happening on Saturday, the 29th of this month, you know, and from 9 a.m. to around 5 p.m. in the evening, right? So it's going to be like the whole day, and I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to succeed on YouTube. Now, to be a part of this training, all you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description that is going to bring you to this landing page right now. So what you need to do is to come down here and of course, just click on this chat with me on WhatsApp to actually get in contact with me. Okay, I will answer all your questions on WhatsApp, right? And of course, I will give you the information on how to actually make payment for this training. Now, there's a whole lot of value packed in this training. Introduction to YouTube, finding your niche, creating a brand channel, YouTube analytics and metrics, viral thumbnail design, YouTube keyword research, publishing your video right, title, text, and description, and all of that. So I'm going to be explaining all of this. This is actually a 323,000 naira value, but I'm going to be giving you guys for just 15,000 naira, right? So this training is just 15,000 naira, and it's happening on the 29th of this month, and you should be a part of it if you're actually interested about building a business on YouTube. Click on join the YouTube Money Secrets training today, and it's going to bring you straight to WhatsApp, or you can actually chat with me, you know, directly. I've included testimonials from students that attended my last training. Right? This is Rachel, this is Edison, and these are the other students that were part of my training on the YouTube content monetization. You know, these are other students, and these some other students here, and these are other students, right? So you can go ahead and watch those videos to get an insight about what the training is going to be like, right? And of course, you can ask me any question. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, how much did YouTube pay me for 100,000 views? Video of mine that have actually crossed the 100,000 mark. Now, this video has 200,000 views. right? And YouTube paid me over $5,000, which means that if you divide this by 2, it will be 100,000. Dividing the money by 2, this should be around $2,700 or so, right? Now, like I said, this depends on RPM, and I'm going to be explaining this, what this RPM means and how to actually calculate it in my training on Zoom, right, on the 29th of this month. Now, this is another video that I've actually crossed the 100,000 mark. This has 200,000 views, right? And you see this one made less money. So if you divide this, it should be around $600-700, right? This one actually made less money because the RPM is lower, right? So like I said, it differs from video to video. That's the point I'm trying to make. And I'm going to be explaining this a lot better in my training. Now, this is a third video right here. This one has 100,000 views and it has made only $531. Right? Like I said, it differs from video to video, and I'm going to be explaining all of this in my training. Now, this video showing up right here will show you exactly how much YouTube has actually made on YouTube and how much I made personally on YouTube in a year, guys. So until I see you in my next video or in the training or on my WhatsApp, keep winning. And don't forget to cheer out. Those love you guys. Bye from here, guys.